is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Fashion Food of Thailand. This came by way of Ferengi of Australia. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. This is Oriental flavor, and I like I said, I really don't know. All I know is that's what they're calling it, and I don't know what that entails. It could be like Chanticleer soup. I don't know. I don't think it. I really don't know. Maybe it just means flavor that goes with whatever you want to stick in it. So feel free to stick whatever you want in it. Oh man. Wow, that's a lot of oil. Shoot. So last review I did had so many sachets, that one ended up being clear and I didn't see it. So, geez, Ramen Raider, you screwed up. You forgot a sachet. So it says, cook it for 2 minutes, and then you add in the sachet, stir it up, and you're a happy camper. Yeah, today I am going down to Seattle. It's funny, there's like, so if you're not here in the US, you wouldn't understand, and thankfully you don't, or I don't know, but politics have infiltrated every aspect of daily life here. So, like, biggest city next to us is Seattle. It's a really nice place. Do they have problems? Yeah. But it's like, people will seize on that and say, oh, it's because of these people who are of this political party that this is happening, blah, 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 blah. But they don't stop. They just go on and on and on and on and get more irrational and silly about it. It's generally the party of no. The people who are just like, meh, about everything. I just kicked one out of a power outages group that was doing that. Trying to, oh, the power's out because of mismanagement. We can't have electric vehicles. We're not ready. That was a theory espoused by someone who is in politics, well known, and considered to be, by most, including myself, very unstable and mentally insane. So I was just like, no need to interject to that line. The power's out for you guys because somebody ran into a power pole with their car. But that wasn't good enough. There was just like, oh, well, you know, there have been flickers lately, and that's why we're not ready for electric vehicles. Ban. Bye. Gone. See, we have a local group for Kenmore that they put up with a lot of crap. I don't. Like, people want to make it their bully pulpit. No, it's my bully pulpit. So here's what we got. Let's get back to the noodles. Oh, that crap. You can't have electric feet. Okay. There's not enough power. We won't be able to make our toast. You won't even be able to make your ramen. Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah. All right, cheers. Very standard crumble Thai style. Yeah, Thai noodles a lot of the time just have like this kind of crumbliness to them. That's pretty good. Now for the broth. What is that supposed to be? It doesn't make me think of soy sauce. I really don't know. Is it horrible? No, it's pretty good. Well, I mean, it's all right. It's okay. It's edible. I don't know. Every noodle in my mind starts out just like, wow, this is amazing. Wait a second. Then you got this. Yeah. Then you got the. They all start out at like 1,000,000%, and then it just kind of goes downhill the more I like let it play around my palate. Oh yeah. I've been asked recently, how can you review instant noodles when you don't eat all of them? And I don't know. How can you rate wines and not just upend the bottle, chug it all down? An elegant bouquet. The hangover was minimal. I'm really not gonna go super hardcore on this one. I'm gonna use some crushed red pepper, a little bit of seed. I think that's gonna be about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we are ready for this. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is something really unique, and the original flavor was really quite good. But this hot and spicy best wok corn vermicelli, hot and spicy from Indonesia. Yeah, I'm psyched. The last time I made this, it was really good. So we'll see about this time. And it's been Hans the Ramen wishing you right there. You enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.